Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about: turning text into speech using Python with just few lines of code. If you're a coding enthusiast or simply curious about the wonders of technology, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech-tastic content. Alright, let's jump right into it. We're going to show you how to convert text to speech using Python. This is a fantastic skill to have, and it can be used for a variety of applications like creating audiobooks, voice assistants, and so much more. The first thing we need to do is import the pyttsx3 library. This powerful library will allow us to convert our text into speech effortlessly. You can find the code for this in the description below. Next up, we're going to define a function called text_to_speech that will handle the conversion process. Now, let's create some sample text that we want to convert into speech. And finally, it's time to execute our text-to-speech conversion. Brace yourselves. And there you have it. We've successfully converted text to speech using Python. How cool is that? The possibilities with this technology are endless, from creating unique voice interfaces to enhancing accessibility in various applications. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Also, if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe my channel for more exciting tech content. Thank you for tuning in today, and until next time, happy coding!